yeah, yeah. Okay, the simulation just went bad, but you're the best I ever had. Like Ann Prince and West of Man, she touched me as permanent. In my head, I couldn't hear anything you said, but in my head, I'm calling you girlfriend. What the I don't do fake love, but I'll take some from you tonight. I know I've got to go, but I might just miss the flight. I can't stay forever, let's play pretend and drink this night like it'll happen again. You'll be my bloody Valentine. Let's go. Overstimulated and I'm sad. I don't expect you to understand. It's nothing less than true